Hello, welcome to my channel, and today let's make my son's favorite dish, minced meat and veggie stew. His love for this dish is to die for and it turned out to be very delicious, so let's prepare it. So we'll need 300 grams of minced beef, 2 medium-sized onions. For spices we're going to need bay leaves, seasoning cube, cumin powder, curry powder, and garam masala. For veggies, we'll use potatoes, carrot, peas, blended tomatoes, and fresh dhania for garnishing. So first we're going to fry our minced beef. In a large pot, you're going to heat some oil over a medium heat. Then you're going to add your minced meat and cook until it's brown, breaking it up with a spatula or a spoon. So next we'll add our spices and mix well to combine, and bay leaves add a lot of flavor to your dish as well. Cover and let the meat cook for around 2 minutes. Now add tomato paste and mix well. Then you're going to add your onions and let your onions cook until translucent. If you're not new here, you know I never let my onions brown. I love them when they're tender and crunchy. So at this point I add diced carrot first because they take longer time to cook. Then you're going to add your blended tomatoes and potatoes. You're going to mix everything up. Then you'll add some water and let the stew simmer for around 25 minutes, stirring occasionally. So after 25 minutes, go ahead and taste your carrots and potatoes. So once you're certain that they have cooked well, you're going to add your already boiled peas. There's a video on how to maintain the color of peas while cooking. I'm going to tag it at the end of the video. Mix everything up and garnish with some dhania. Now your food is ready. You're going to remove the bay leaves and you're going to serve while hot. I enjoyed mine with some mashed potatoes. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode of Kenyan Cuisine. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload another video. Until next time, take care, enjoy, bye.